Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that aims to elevate your entire cooking experience, the Caraway Stainless Steel Deluxe Cookware Set. This isn't just another collection of pots and pans, it's a 16-piece ensemble promising durability, health-conscious cooking, and even a touch of organizational flair. So, if you're looking to transform your kitchen and your meals, stick around as we put this set through its paces. First off, let's talk about what makes this set stand out, and that's its construction. Caraway boasts a 5-ply stainless steel build. Now, for those unfamiliar, that means there are 5 layers of metal bonded together. Typically, this involves a core of aluminum or copper sandwiched between stainless steel. The advantage here is significantly improved heat distribution and retention. You get even cooking across the entire surface of the pan, eliminating hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food, or worse, burnt bits. This is crucial for everything from delicate sauces to searing a steak. Beyond the performance, Caraway emphasizes the health aspect, stating the set is non-toxic, PTFE and PFOA free. This is a big deal for many home cooks today who are actively seeking alternatives to non-stick coatings that can potentially release harmful chemicals when overheated. With this stainless steel set, you can sear, sauté, and simmer with the peace of mind that you're not introducing unwanted substances into your food. It's a commitment to healthier cooking, which resonates strongly in today's wellness-focused world. The sheer volume of pieces in this 16-piece set is impressive. It includes various pots and frying pans, designed to cover a wide spectrum of culinary tasks. You'll find saucepans for simmering, a Dutch oven for stews and braises, and frying pans for your everyday needs. The inclusion of lids is also a thoughtful touch, allowing for moisture retention and controlled cooking. One of the most unique features of this deluxe set is the inclusion of a pan rack and lid organizer. This isn't something you often see bundled with cookware, and it addresses a common kitchen problem: storage. Having a dedicated system to neatly store your pots, pans, and lids can declutter your cabinets and make accessing your cookware a breeze. It suggests a holistic approach to the kitchen experience, considering not just the cooking itself but also the organization and ease of use. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of the Caraway Stainless Steel Deluxe Cookware Set. On the positive side, the 5-ply stainless steel construction is a significant advantage for even heating and durability. The non-toxic, chemical-free nature of the material is a major draw for health-conscious individuals. The comprehensive 16-piece collection offers a lot of versatility for various cooking needs. And that integrated storage solution is a fantastic bonus, adding real value and practicality. However, there are a few points to consider. Stainless steel, while durable and healthy, can be a bit more challenging to cook with than non-stick surfaces, especially for beginners. Food can sometimes stick if not managed properly, requiring a bit of a learning curve with oil usage and heat control. Also, a 16-piece set is substantial, so you need to have adequate storage space in your kitchen for both the cookware itself and the organizer. While the organizer helps, it still requires dedicated space. Finally, for those who are accustomed to very lightweight cookware, stainless steel can feel heavier, which might be a minor consideration for some users. In conclusion, the Caraway Stainless Steel Deluxe Cookware, your culinary journey, offering performance and peace of mind. Link in the description.